Hi y'all. So I realized I've never really talked in any of my videos. Probably because I can't talk sometimes, but um yes, I kind of just thought I would do something different. Like picking up random hobbies or thinking about like all these like spectacular ideas that I can do. I bought a guitar because was gonna learn how to play guitar, but I haven't done that yet really. Like I tried for a little bit and then I got like sidetracked with something else. I got the keyboard, which I haven't really played, really. Like, I bought books and stuff to like learn how to play, but then I got sidetracked. And I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I was kind of show some products that I've been using, or I just recently got that, and how I think about them. I do like makeup just for fun, but I'm not pro or anything. So, first thing I did get was a Wet n Wild the Fergie eye primer. Eyeshadows don't really last that long on me, so I like to use primers. I've tried a few different ones. I've tried the BH Cosmetics, which I did really like. I used that for a while, and I just kind of stopped. I think I just like didn't reorder just because I kind of have oily eyelids, and I like primers that have a little bit of stick to them that's still consistent. So that's what I kind of look for when I look for eye primer, and this isn't too bad actually. I kind of like it. I've been trying it for the last couple of days, and it stays pretty well, I think. It's nice and creamy. It kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay's eye primer, but it's not as smooth. It's a little bit more sticky. Like a good, it's not like overly like, oh my god, but for me it works better. Hey guys, so that just totally stopped recording on me. So I was talking about the eye primer, which I do like, so it's worth the $4, I think. The other thing that I've gotten is a lot of stuff from BH Cosmetics. I have a lot of their palettes and eyeshadow stuff just because I'm an eyeshadow person. I like that stuff. So I've gotten a few other things from them. I got the BH Cosmetics, the Rose, I think it's the Rose collection brushes from them. It's a super cute packaging. It's a lot more than I was expecting. So it comes in this cute little bag, and then if I can close it. It's a little, I don't know, it's like a little thing that you push up, and it comes in a lot of different brushes, which is something I like. I need new brushes, so I got these, and haven't used all of them, but then I've been trying them all out. I'm going on a trip in next week, and so I've been trying out to see what brushes I would want to bring with me if they're worth bringing. And you have a lot of your face ones. You have your round kind of like blush powder, your angled one, and then just a variety of different eyelid brushes that you can use for creases and just for the eyelid in general. So I've been liking them a lot. I wasn't expecting to get this many brushes, and the quality of it is really good, and the packaging is really cute. So I think this is a really good deal. So go and check them out if you would like to get something like that. And I've also gotten, see, a Forever New Sculpt and Glow palette. That's what it looks like. Super cute packaging. I like packaging stuff. So whenever it's cute, it's a plus for me. But so I like this a lot. It comes with a little mirror. I'm not gonna blind you guys. But then it comes in 3 different shades, I guess. It comes in a darker brown, a lighter brown, and then a shimmery pink almost. And the highlighting colors, which is kind of like a banana, yellow banana color, and I'd say like a light pink. And both of these 2 colors are pretty shimmery. So, like I used it a little bit today. I don't know if you can really tell, but it is a little bit more shimmery. So just kind of be aware that it's not matte really. So you do kind of get that sparkle if that's what you're going for. So I feel like if you use a little bit of it, it kind of helps with brightening things up. Yeah, so if that makes sense. Yes, I've been liking them. I feel like I have the BH Cosmetics, the neutral palette, like the eyeshadow palette, and I feel like a lot of these colors are maybe similar to that. So you don't necessarily, I feel like you don't necessarily need to get blushes and powders that are only for contouring or whatever. I feel like you can use eyeshadows in replacement of that sometimes. But, all of these do come in one little package so it's easier to carry around. So I do like that. I used the two bronzing colors today. Kind of all my cheekbones. I don't know if you can really tell my camera, the lighting's not the best right now. So I used it a lot, and I actually really like this. And it's like kind of small and cute to carry around for travel purposes. So I think I'm gonna bring this when I go on my trip. But yeah, so that's that. And then what else did I get? I got eyeliner. Oh, not eyeliners, lip liners, because I don't know. I have very sensitive like lips. Like I feel like when I use different lipsticks, right when I put it on, it starts peeling right away. So the only thing I really use is the chapstick brand. The medicated one feels like it's the only thing that helps my lips. So I use that as a base for almost any lip color or lip thing that I use. So I just kind of wanted to try different different products to see which products work the best for my lips. And I found that Milani has worked really well for me. I feel like out of all the different brands I've checked out, my lips don't peel as much. So I lean towards Milani, but we don't have Milani here where I live because I live in the middle of nowhere sometimes. Well, it's not really middle of nowhere, but it's just small, so we're kind of limited to what comes to our stores and stuff like that. So I kind of want to try these out because they were like $2 each, I think. Yeah, less than $2 each. So I do like them. They're really nice, but I don't know. Maybe just because I don't use lip liners a lot, so I don't know how much product you're supposed to get. But I have another lip liner, and it's like one of the sharpened ones, so you can get a lot of it. But this is that's basically all you get. I mean, it's for a lip liner, so you don't expect to get a lot of it. But you know, I was just kind of suspicious because I was like, oh, that's all I get. But if you're using it for lip lining, you don't need a lot anyway. So I don't know what I was thinking, but I got 4 different ones. I got spiced. Yeah, spiced, and that's what it kind of looks like. It's like a darker red. It's not too bad. And then this one is Delight. I don't know how much memory I have on my tablet, so I'm trying to get through this as fast as I can. And that one is this one. If that focuses. And I just want to get reds because I don't have a lot of red lipsticks and stuff, so I kind of want to do something different. And then I also got strips, and I got this one just because it's more neutral. I feel like it's more like not a nude liner, but it's more natural. So I kind of decided to get that. It's like a little pink, so I like that. And then I also got Rosy. Yeah, I'll just kind of do it real quick. And I like this one because I just wanted something. Oh, these are kind of hard to see, but like that. So it's kind of like a more pink. And I just wanted to get all these different ones so I can try it out and see what I really liked. And I also got my straightener fell. A blush. I got. I know these are, I think, the new ones that Beach Cosmetics has marketed or it's marketing. Sorry. So it's a blush duo. It has 2 different blushes, and I know Iris is just one of them. They have, I think, 4 more, but I feel like Iris was the darker ones, and I like to have darker, more dramatic colors, so I went for the darkest one they had, and it's what it looks like. It's a 2-tone. It's a matte, kind of like a cherry spice red color, and it's kind of like a lighter pink. This one's more shimmery. This one is a matte, and you can either use them separately or together. I've tried them together. That's what I have today, so you can definitely see it. I put too much on the side, but you can definitely see it. I like it so far. Okay, so that's like the second time my tablet camera has stopped on me because my memory is full. Yeah. All I can think of, really. I don't know if anybody was interested in that, but just wanted to share. So that's all. See you in the future. All right.